good morning boys and girls. Good morning Teacher Grace.
Good morning, Teacher Jill.
And good morning to Boots and
Good
Dora.
morning.
And how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Teacher Jill?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. Do we know what day it is today?
It's Tuesday.
That's right, it's Tuesday today. Yesterday was?
Monday.
And tomorrow will be?
Wednesday.
That's right, very good. Okay, let's see if you can remember the animals that we learnt last week. What is this?
Tiger.
Tiger. Roar. And what is this?
Elephant.
Very good. And Boots, what is this?
Monkey.
Monkey, just like you. Look, Boots is a monkey, aren't you? High five, Boots. Good job. And what is this, Dora?
Lion.
That's right, Dora. It's a lion. And Boots, what is this?
Frog.
A frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. And Dora, what is this?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Look, he's got a very long neck. Okay, Boots, what is this?
Rhino.
That's right, it's a rhino. And Dora, what is this?
Zebra.
A zebra, because he's got black and white stripes. He looks a bit like a horse, doesn't he? But he's not, he's a zebra, because zebras have black and white stripes. Okay, so this week we're going to learn about animals, but we're going to learn about farm animals. Those are animals that live on the farm. Did you know that? So I'm going to show you some of the farm animals, and I want you to repeat the words. Okay, pig.
Pig.
Very good. Pig. Pig. Very good. Duck.
Duck.
Duck. There we are. Duck. Horse.
Horse.
Horse. Sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep. Can you say that, Boots?
Sheep.
Sheep. Very good. Cow.
Cow.
Cow. Very good. And the last one is a turkey.
Turkey.
Turkey. Can you say that?
Turkey.
Turkey. Very good. Okay. And what, you know, animals all make different sounds, don't they? So let's see, who knows what a pig makes? Does a pig say quack? Quack,
No.
quack? No.
It says oink, oink, oink.
Very good. A pig says oink, oink. Very good. Oh, does a duck say ba, ba? No.
It says quack, 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 quack.
That's right. Quack, quack, quack. Very good. Oh, does a horse say moo?
No.
No.
It
What?
says nee, nee,
Nay, nay. Very good. A horse doesn't say moo, does he? No. Does a sheep say oink, oink?
No.
No. What sound does a sheep
It
make?
says ba,
Ba, ba. Very good. Does a cow say neigh, neigh?
No.
No. What sound does a cow
It says
make?
moo.
Moo, moo. And does a turkey say gobble, 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 gobble?
Yes, a turkey says gobble, 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 gobble.
That's right. All animals have different sounds. So now we're going to sing a song about all the animals on the farm. And it's called Old MacDonald Has a Farm. Are you ready to sing, boys and girls?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm we had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm we had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. here and a quack quack there and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there and a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there and a quack quack here and a quack quack there and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there and a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there and a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there and a quack quack here and a quack quack there and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a turkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there and a moo moo here and a moo moo there and a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there and a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there and a quack quack here and a quack quack there and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Did you like that song, everyone? Wasn't it fun? We remember all the sounds that the animals make now, don't we? Okay, well, it's time to say goodbye. So it's goodbye from Teacher Grace.
Bye.
And it's goodbye from Boots and Dora.
Bye.
And goodbye from Teacher Jill. Bye-bye. See you again next time. Bye.